Hiya Duck, are you ready for part 2 of the Orlando vlog? Off we go, and it's teaching time again. Today is hectic, it's showtime! This design that I'm doing today is one of my favourite things to do. I absolutely love it because it's one of those where you've just got to trust the process. It looks like a heap of shit straight away and you're like, what is this? But what I want you to understand is the process of creating this. It's very joyful, and I want you to understand the steps and why it looks so good. And it's the steps that I want you to take away with you today. I want you to take away that knowledge. Here we go! And the crowd goes wild. So I'm sharing your posts as well. Let me know if you see your posts in this video. I absolutely love teaching this design, and thank you to everybody that came. And I can see the back of Tank's head there. He has got the most colourful mohawk ever. Then we rush straight off to Nailympia, where I'm judging. There's Mino. The competitors are working so hard, and there is some extraordinary talent on this competition floor. I love my Nailympia family, and I get to judge with some fantastic people. We have Alicia Romando, who is head judge of Nailympia Orlando. I do love judging the art categories. It really gets the juices flowing. And then these are just a few of the reality nails category. Here are some of the hand-painted flat nail art, which I love judging this category because I can really see all the detail and the hard work that goes into creating these designs. They are mind-blowing. When you see them in person, wow, the camera does not do these justice. Then I've literally got about 10 minutes to scoot round. So I go to see the not polished guys. I love these guys and I love their stand. It's so fluffy and pink. I feel like I belong there. I think one of the best things about my actual job is meeting all of my followers, all the fans, and all my nail tech friends that I meet from all over the world. And I feel so fortunate to be able to mingle with all these amazing people and meet some cool ass people as well. Can we just take a moment to appreciate these crisp brown nails? They are so cool, and this is who did them. Then we nipped over to see Tino. Absolutely love this guy. His personality is as wild as his nails. And just look at the nails. They're like, oh my God. I was in awe of them. I kind of wanted to pick them off and see if they fit my nails and I could just steal them. But I think he might notice. What do you think? Then we've got nails by Dev. Look at her work. Her portrait work is insane. And seeing them for real life is next level. Jenny Boo with all the bling. And here we are. I love this photo. And then we head down to the Scratch social party, where they are going to announce something pretty cool. So if you are in North America, you need to listen to the next part of this video, because this might be just for you.
Of all levels across North America, including educators and brand ambassadors. The only requirements? You need to have held your nail licence for at least 12 months since July 1st, 2023 or earlier, and live and work in North America. So how will it work? Let's take a look. Competition entry will open July 1st. You simply need to head to the Scratch website and upload basic info and images of your nail work. These entries will then be narrowed down to a shortlist of 50 nail artists who will then go through to the challenge stages.
How cool is that? Oh, and this lady asked me to sign her arm because she's actually going to get that tattooed on her arm. I felt like Madonna Duck. I mean, it's crazy. But yeah, I want to see the tattoo version. Just going to share a load of pictures, a bit of a photo dump from the day, because that many photos were taken and shared, and I want to share them. Please let me know if your picture's on here. I'm going to tag as many people as I can. If I forget to tag you, I'm so sorry. I'm a busy lady. Do you know what I mean? But yeah, please let me know if your picture appears on this vlog. And don't worry girls, we've only got one more vlog to go. because I can't wait to share it with you, because there's some really important news right at the end of my next vlog that I cannot wait to share with you. Also, if you spot anybody that you recognise, go ahead and tag them in this video, because there's a lot of people in this video. I just can't tag them all. Ta-ra, duck!